Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video regarding my Microlocs, but in a different way. So today we're going to be talking about the products that I put in my hair. I recently got a comment and the comment asked me about the hair products that I use. I have a box full of hair products, and the way I'm going to do this video is just in categories: wash day, everyday styling, specific style products, and treatments. So let's get into it. For a typical wash day, I would probably just use a pretty cleansing type of shampoo, and I have 3 shampoos I'm going to show you. So I'll go with the one that I'm currently using. Currently, I am using the Neutrogena Healthy Scalp Hydra Boost Shampoo with hyaluronic acid, and I like this one because it's good for moisture. Bought this in January and I've been pretty much using it ever since. It works pretty good. It keeps my scalp pretty clean, and it has a nice gentle smell, and I think this is pretty colorless. I think it's just, you know, like the normal whitish shampoo color, like nothing crazy. It lathers. And if I'm looking for something like super deep cleaning, I'll go in with something like the Sulfur 8 deep cleaning shampoo. So this is good at like removing, you know, dandruff. It says it's supposed to restore natural pH balance to the hair, and it's for like all textures. The basic, I mean, I just use it for a really deep clean. Like, I want to add moisture back into my hair after doing such a deep cleaning shampoo. I'll generally go in with something like this Honey Cream Moisturizing Shampoo by Design Essentials. This one I've had for a while. I used it on my loose natural hair, and I also use it on my locks. I like it a lot. It smells really good. Generally, if I use something like this, I probably won't use a conditioner. Especially when I was starting out with like new locks, I wasn't using conditioner. I was just deep clean my hair, and then my conditioner or moisturizing portion would just be this moisturizing shampoo. I still really like this shampoo. Now, if I am going to condition my hair, and most times that I wash my hair nowadays, I do condition, I'll use this. Now, this is just the Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner. Nothing fancy, like a big bottle with the pump. I try to dilute it as much as possible because I have found nowadays that conditioners and things like it tend to try to get stuck in my hair. So it's a lot of extra washing and squeezing my hair under the water and like going like this as the water rinses through, just to be sure that I got all that product out. I'm becoming very weary of conditioners like this though. I will probably look for something different in the future. Those are my wash day products. So moving into like everyday hydration type products. So this is the oil that I use. It's nearly empty. I need to make up another batch. But what it is Jamaican black castor oil, and then it has lavender and eucalyptus essential oils. I feel like those 2 essential oils are just very they're very mood elevating. Like, they lift your spirits up. They smell really good. I like to use them in like baths and stuff, but I just put those 2 scents, like 10-15 drops in the bottle. I'll fill up the Jamaican black castor oil like up here, apply those essential oils inside, and yeah, my day is just made better when I have that. And of course it smells good because, I don't know, Jamaican black castor oil by itself, to me, I've said this before, it smells like burnt peanuts, and I don't know what it is about it. I do use another oil. I did really enjoy this Design Essential oil. It was the Anti-Itch and Tension Relief Tea Tree and Aloe, and it has peppermint oil and a bunch of other oils. It comes in a little bottle like this. It was so good. I need to get some more. Every day I don't like to just put like creamy products in my hair. I'll more go towards a spray or a mist. Sometimes out of the shower I will spray something in my hair, especially if I did not condition. I'll probably use this African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine leave-in conditioner. Jesus, there's so many names on the bottle, but it's just like this. It's a pretty milky looking leave-in conditioner. It smells really good, and I'll just spray this out my hair like getting out the shower. But I also use something like this just every day. Like, I'll just spray this on my hair in the mornings. You know, it smells amazing, so you'll get compliments if you spray this in your hair. In that same family, the next one that I like to use, so like an everyday refresher, I am Restore and Repair, and this is Jamaican black castor oil water. This one has a nice smell too, but it's not overpowering. I think my loctician always used to have this, so I bought it because she had it and it smelled pretty nice. This is actually like my second bottle of it, and it's pretty down at the bottom now, so I do enjoy this product as well. And honestly, at the moment, I'm using this one a lot. Products I like to use are the Loxanity Rose Waters. So this one is just the basic one. It's just rose water by itself. This one I kind of take for travel purposes now. I don't really like the way that rose water smells by itself. It smells like, to me, roses outside on the bush, and that's just not a smell that I kind of want my hair to smell like all the time. I should maybe try mixing it with essential oil. Now, Loxanity does have this rose water peppermint spray for all dreadlock and loose hair types. Smells still like roses outside, but that peppermint really does help. And I've been using this since I had locks. Probably like, this arrived probably like a week after I got my locks. So I really like it. I don't know how many bottles of this I am on, but I like to keep it on hand. You can see it's all the way at the bottom. I don't know what bottle number this is. And yeah, those are the products that I use on like a everyday refresher type situation. Some days I use them, some days I may not, but those are just my go-to refresh type of hair products. I'm doing a certain style. Generally, if like I'm doing curls or something, I will just spray my hair down with water, or I'm starting off on a super clean base. I'll go in with a lot of body with coconut and shea oils, Wrap Me foaming mousse. So I'll just apply this on this section, work it in, and then braid up my hair, whatever. Put a roller in it or twist it up, whatever I need to do. And then sometimes, like in conjunction with that, after doing all the twist or curls, I'll go in with Got To Be glue. This is the blasting free spray, and then I'll use this as a finisher. So it's a hairspray, right? So I'll just spray it all over all the braids, all the rollers, whatever. I'll just spray my hair down and, you know, put a bonnet on, go to sleep. I don't do curls all the time, but now I'm trying to get away from using so much of the hairspray. Lastly, I haven't done it a lot lately, but in the beginning I like to lay my edges. Like as a loose natural, I would lay my edges all the time. And you know, occasionally I do it too, but mostly when my edges are kind of fresh, like from a retie, like a week or two out, I'll do some fancy edge work. So for that, I also use a Got To Be product. This is the styling spiking glue. I've used this for years as a loose natural, as a lock person. I don't use it often, not really doing the edges these days. I'll just go in and retie my edges myself. It'd be what it be. So those are like my styling products if I want to do something specific like curls or a braid out or something like that. Treatment type hair products, I have been liking Olaplex. So I've used this a couple times and I've been trying to use it a bit more because I constantly tell you guys in the update videos about like the breakage on the ends of my hair. But I have noticed that I do a lot of trimming of the hairs in the front. The breakage that I'm mostly seeing is in like the front portion of my hair where my texture is looser. The bun building hair treatment, which is number 0, and the hair perfector, which is number 3. It's supposed to repair and strengthen. It's for all hair types. So I'll use these two together 2 to 3 times per week, which I don't use it that often at all. Literally, it's like probably once or twice every other month. Yeah. So, and also my loctician has commented, you know, like when you use that Olaplex, your hair was so soft. Comb sample size as well for like 15 if you don't want to spend the flat out 60. So definitely do that. Yeah, but it worked really good. I like the results that I get when you can be consistent with it. Now the last treatment that I have here is the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. It's supposed to stop hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks, ideal for processed or natural hair. I think I did this back in like March or something, so it's probably time for me to do it again. I think it's best if I do these 2 products at the at different times, but like in combination with each other. So like not just use one and like let that be it, but use both of these treatments. So sometimes I'll do a protein treatment, sometimes I'll do bun repair. Protein treatment, bun repair. Both of those treatments together will really benefit my hair. I just need to be more consistent. Yeah. That is all the hair products that I use in my Microlocs. I know it seems like I use a lot of products. On a daily basis, it's really just sprays and things like that. Nothing too harsh. I try to stay away from cream-based products that's not like a treatment. Hope this video helps. What do you think about the products? Do you think I'm using too many products in my hair? I think these really work for my hair. I also didn't mention the color in my hair, but I already have a video about color in the process that I do for that, so check that video out. But yeah, guys, I hope this answered any questions that any of you may have had about the products that I use in my hair. And if you do have any more questions, then please leave them down below and I will get to them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.